In this video, we are going to see how to make crispy KFC style chicken strips. So here I have taken total 500 gram of chicken breast, which I have washed and cleaned it nicely. Then we need to cut it into half. Then I'm cutting these chicken breast into long strips like this. If you want, you can make small strips or long according to you. So the strips should not be very thick nor very thin. Likewise, I'm cutting the rest of the pieces. Now for marinating the chicken, we will be needing 1 cup of yogurt. This is my homemade yogurt. You can add any yogurt that is available to you. Into this, we need to add water gradually, little water at a time, and then whisk. We do not want very thick nor very thin yogurt, so medium consistency is fine. Into this goes 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin or zira powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, then 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add some salt as per your taste, some oregano or mixed herbs, and finally add 1 egg. If you do not have any spices that I mentioned, then you can skip and add any spice that you want to add. Give this all a very good mix. Add all the chicken strips that we have cut. Using a spoon, dip all the chicken strips nicely into the marination so they are all nicely coated with the masalas. Then by using a cling wrap, cover this marination or use a lid if you do not have a cling wrap, and marinate this for at least 3 to 4 hours in your refrigerator or overnight. In a bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 1/4 cup of corn flour, salt as per your taste. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, and 1 teaspoon of oregano or mixed herbs. You can always adjust the amount of these spices according to your taste. Give this all a good mix. Now divide the flour mixture into 2 parts equally. This is for the first coating and second coating that we are going to do. I marinated the chicken strips overnight, so this is post 15 to 16 hours. Then remove 1 strips at a time. Then coat this with the flour mixture very nicely. Coat all the chicken strips similarly. So the first bowl of the flour mixture will be utilized, and you can see that the strips are a little bit wet at this time. It is not properly coated because it is very wet, so we need to do the second coating, and that is why I told you to divide the batter into 2 equal parts. Again, coat all the strips similarly. So these chicken strips look good now. It is well coated, and now we can fry these into very hot oil. So remember that the oil should be very hot because we need to deep fry these chicken strips. While I am dropping the strips into the oil, the flame is low. You need to be very careful while you are frying the chicken strips. Also, one thing you need to remember is do not overcrowd. Just drop 4 to 5 chicken strips maximum into the oil, not more than that. Otherwise the temperature of the oil will fall, and we need to maintain the temperature of the oil. Also, I tested by dropping first 1 chicken strip into the oil. I cooked it like for maximum 6 to 7 minutes, first on medium flame and then on low flame. Then I removed it and I tasted like whether it was cooked nicely or not. So first I always test by dropping one whatever item I am making. So all the chicken strips are now fried, and for that extra crispiness, if you want, then you need to double fry the same strips again for maximum 1 minute, not more than that. in a very hot smoky oil. Double frying the chicken strips will give our strips a very extra crispiness that we all want. So these are done. I am drying it on a paper towel. You can dry it on a tissue paper. Now we will make our dip, a very delicious KFC style same dip. I'm going to show you how to make. So first add almost 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, then almost 1 teaspoon of hot tomato ketchup, the tez wala, then add almost 2 teaspoon of lemon juice. Then here goes in almost 1/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper powder. Then give this a very good mix and your KFC style dip is also ready. This tastes very delicious with the chicken strips. These look so crunchy and crispy from outside itself. These are moist from inside, crispy from outside, and of course these are very delicious.